bench. Tryna fuck on a few twins. Hey, my fam out on the hill somewhere. They don't know where the pool is. What's
up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking up my 3-month-old cornrows. Y'all, believe it or not, I honestly lost track. I don't remember the last time I washed my hair. I believe it was like in January when I took out those braids. And I was like, yo, when was the last time I washed my hair? But honestly, this is regular for me, y'all. Y'all know I go 2 months. The longest I be going like 2 to 3 months top. If June would have came, y'all, it would have been like 4 months since I washed my hair. But today's the day we go wash my hair, y'all. This is my break. This is my break that I am taking from wigs. Summertime, so y'all know I'm gonna be wearing my natural hair. It's too hot to be wearing wigs. The gender reveal, I wore a wig and I was so over it, y'all. Like, no funny. I didn't even care to do my hair. That's how hot it was. That's why I had that headband on my head. Today we're going to be watching my 3-month-old cornrow. Also, I'm going to be featuring Rece Remedies. Y'all know this is my girl. This is the famous oil that I've used that have helped my hair grow back literally like within months. All the info will be down below to links, but let's do a little unpacking of what's in this package. First, of course, you know we got the growth oil. This is the growth oil. Everything will be down below, like I said. Oh yeah, this smells mad good. I love the way her oils be smelling. Next, we have the conditioner treatment, which I will need because y'all, the last time I've done deep treatment was honestly months ago, so I will be using this. Just have aloe vera, shea butter, sunflower seed oil, and jojoba oil. Directions: deep condition for 30 minutes, rinse thoroughly. I will be using this. Next we have is the tea rinse spray. I've never used this before. I'm glad she has instructions because I would have been asking her how to use all these products. This will be my first time using a tea rinse spray. This is how it looks. So yeah, like I said, this is a tea rinse spray. In this it has hibiscus flower, oat straw, peppermint, oils, and a fragrance. And you let me see, spray throughout the hair, detangle, or use with braids, proceed with oil. Okay, I'm gonna definitely try this. I'm gonna use this to detangle my hair, y'all. This smells good. Ooh, it smells like candy. I'm gonna use this to detangle my hair since y'all be like, you need to wet your hair when you detangle your hair. No, I don't. Next, we have a shampoo scrub. This is mad pretty. This color is so pretty, y'all. This smells mad good too. And you know what's crazy, y'all? I don't have no more shampoo. Y'all know I love Aussie Moist. I was using Aussie Moist to wash all the wigs, and now I have no shampoo, so she came in clutch with this shampoo. And then the last thing in the package is hair butter. I am going to be using this to do my braid out because I'm going to be doing a braid out, you guys. And you guys know I've never really found anything to really, you know, really make my curls just pop. Like, I feel like everything is just too lightweight on my hair. I need thick products because my hair is thick. But this contains shea butter, mango butter, coconut oil, Rece Remedies oil, and a fragrance. Oh yeah, that's thick. This is thick, y'all. Yeah, but how would I use this? I guess I will wet my hair. I don't know. We'll figure it out. And then we have her business cards, which is mad cute. Okay, girl, check you out. Like I said, all her info will be down below. A little heads up, if you guys hear anything, it's Samari watching TV. I want to turn on my AC, but I know that thing gonna make too much noise, so I don't got time. So let's get into this detangling process. Y'all, I don't even care what y'all gotta say. I don't care. Forget it. I'm not even gonna say y'all don't. I don't care. So, this is how my hair look, y'all. Where's my part? Where's the braid? I don't know. Y'all, the new growth, though, is crazy. The new growth is crazy. Oh my god. Taking out my 3-month-old, y'all. Like, this is like a big dread now. Like, my hair is like a big dread now. Oh my god. Last time we checked though, y'all, my hair was import video. That's how long my hair was. So let's see if it grew. Damn near, you already know it grew. We're gonna be using the tea rinse to detangle my hair. So let's go. I really hope I don't have trouble, y'all. Like, ooh, it is hot in here. I want to turn my AC so bad. Okay, so we got this braid out. I'm gonna go in with my tea rinse spray. I'm gonna spray throughout my hair. This smells mad good. Okay, so I believe my hair is like, you know, yo, y'all, the way my root feels is like, yo, like, nah, I feel like that thing is matted. Yo, this feels crazy. Alright, so I feel like it has enough in there, so I'm gonna go in now and just start detangling. This stuff smells mad good. First one kind of gave me trouble because I don't think I dried my hair properly before I braided it. I just know that always happens when I don't dry my hair properly before I braid it. So these roots feel crazy, but the tea rinse spray definitely helped made it easier to detangle. But whoa, never again. But I'm gonna speed up this video so I could turn on my AC. I'm hot already, y'all, and I only did one braid. Good thing I only got 4 braids in my head. So I'll be back once I am done detangling. Y'all, this tea rinse is the truth. This just made the tangling for me 10 times easier, y'all. Look at all this hair that came out. Look at all this hair that just came out, y'all. Y'all see all this hair? This is mad hair that just came out, y'all. But now I'm about to go wash my hair. I'm gonna still use my Aussie Moist conditioner, and then I'm gonna leave Rece Remedies conditioner in for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna leave my silicone mix bamboo. You know I live by that. I'm gonna leave that in for like an hour or so while I work out and eat and all that good stuff. But I'll be back when I'm done washing my hair. Okay, so y'all, I'm now done washing my hair. I honestly don't want to do this deep treatment because my hair smells mad good, y'all. That shampoo smells mad good. Almost used the whole thing. But it's time to do a deep treatment on my hair because it's needed. More hair came out, y'all. More hair came out, but it's all good. I expected that. And the growth, y'all, we're gonna do a length check at the end of the video. I don't want to do a length check right now. We're gonna do it at the end of the video. But y'all, I'm jacking my hair OD. This is what I be using on my hair, y'all. I don't think I ever showed you guys. Silicone mix bamboo. This joint is the best. Okay, so y'all, this is my hair after I left it in longer than an hour. And y'all, my hair just feels so clean and healthy. Oh my god, I cannot wait to get my hair trimmed. But that is all for this video. If you guys want to see my braid out routine, stay tuned to the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.
Just had a newborn with a new ground and a new tone.